Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this class, we shall discuss exercise 8.1 question number 4. Okay, so prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Okay, so what are you doing? You are drawing a line. Suppose this is the triangle A, B, C. You are drawing a line parallel to one side of a triangle. Okay, so I'm just drawing a line parallel. See, you're drawing a line through the midpoint of one side. Suppose from this side AB, this is a midpoint D. Okay, so from this midpoint I'm drawing a line. Okay, and this line which you're drawing is parallel to the another side. So this line is parallel to BC. So you should prove that it bisects the third side. Now this line which you are drawing is cutting the third side at point E. Yes or no? So you have to prove that this DE, now this point E is the midpoint of triangle A, of midpoint of side AC. Clear? I'll explain once again, just see. So you are drawing a line from the midpoint of AB. Okay, midpoint of one side is nothing but midpoint of AB, and this line is parallel to BC. So this line meets the other side AC, isn't it? So where it is meeting at this point, it is bisecting the third side. Or I can say E is the midpoint. Bisecting means what? Whenever we say bisect, something is bisecting, that means it is dividing into half. Okay, so bisecting means dividing into half, or I can say it is nothing but the midpoint. Okay, chal. So this is what we understood from this. So let's write the solution. Okay, so what is given? D is midpoint. Okay, D is midpoint of AB, and DE is parallel to BC. So when DE is parallel to BC, using BPT, what can you say? See, in a triangle, D is parallel to BC. So using BPT, we can say that AD by DB, basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, isn't it? AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Clear? But D is midpoint, yes or no? D is midpoint. So what is the meaning of midpoint? AD is equals to DB. Okay, AD is equals to DB. Clear? So if I take the ratio, what is AD by DB? AD by DB will be 1. Okay, beta. So let me substitute. So this is equation 2 I am taking. Okay, this is equation 1. So substitute equation 2 in 1. So what will you get? You will get 1 is equals to AE by EC, or it is nothing but AE is equals to EC. So when will you have AE is equals to EC? This AE is equals to EC when E is the midpoint. Therefore, E is midpoint. Clear with this? Therefore, E is midpoint, or I can say E bisects AC. Okay? Or E bisects. I told you all the meaning are same, isn't it? E bisects AC. Clear? Let's move on to the next one. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So here you have, okay, so this is triangle A, B, C. So you have to prove that. What you should prove, just see here. ABC is a triangle, the line joining the midpoints of any two sides. Suppose here D is a midpoint and here E is the midpoint of AC. So I am drawing a line joining the two midpoints. So you have to prove that this line is parallel to the third side. So how shall we prove? So see here beta. So this is a midpoint. D is a midpoint. So what can I say? I can say since D is midpoint, isn't it? What is the meaning of midpoint? AD is equals to DB, isn't it? So D is midpoint, so AD is equals to DB. Now let us take one more statement. Since E is midpoint, okay, so what can you say? So you can say AE is equals to EC. Clear? So if you take the ratio from this, what is AD by DB? AD by DB is 1. So here also let's take the ratio. AE by EC is what? AE by EC is 1. So let this be equation 1, let this be equation 2. So from 1 and 2, both are equal to 1. So from 1 and 2, we can say, what can we say? We can say AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Okay, when the ratio is equal, so using converse of BPT. What is converse of BPT? When the ratios are equal, when this line is dividing the other two sides in same ratio, then DE, the line is parallel to the third side. Clear beta? So that is what they gave you in the question also. Use converse of BPT. So question number 6. In the given figure, DE is parallel to OQ. Just see here, this DE is parallel to OQ. Okay, so what is the triangle you are getting? See, this is a triangle. Okay, so see, given DE is parallel to OQ. So which triangle you are getting? POQ. So in triangle POQ, so D is parallel to OQ. So what can I write? I can write PE by EQ is equals to PD by DO. How are we writing this? Using BPT. This is very important. Better you have to mention it in the exam also. Next. Okay, now what is given? See, DF is parallel to OR. So where is DF? See here. Let's use another color. See, DF is here. DF is parallel to OR. Okay, so which triangle you are getting here? This is the triangle. Here, so DF is parallel to OR. So from this I can say DF is parallel to OR in triangle POR. Okay, what can you write? PD by DO is equals to PF by FR. Okay, this is also using BPT. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So using equation 1 and 2, what can you get? So using equation 1 and 2, you can say PE by EQ is equals to, see, both are equal. This is equal to PD by DO. This is also equal to PD by DO. So PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. See, PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. So which triangle you are getting? The complete triangle, isn't it? So therefore, so here you see better. I'll just clear it. I'll take green color. So see, PE by, let's take the, yes. See, PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. So if you complete the triangle, this is the bigger triangle which you are getting. Okay. So using this, P by EQ is equals to PF by FR. So in triangle PQR, so which lines are parallel? See, where is PE? So it is dividing at point E, and PF. So it is dividing at point F. Yes, isn't it? So if you join a line with these 2 points, joining these 2 points, if you draw a line, so EF is a line. So using converse of BPT, you can say EF is parallel to QR. Okay, how? Using converse of BPT. Did you get the point? So basically, firstly, we are taking this. DE is parallel to OQ. I told you which triangle you will take. Next, DF is parallel to OR, which triangle you will take. Now you got this relation. This relation is considered with the bigger triangle. So you are taking it and using converse of BPT, you will get the required proof. Now question number 7. So, yes. In the given figure, A, B, C are the points OP, OQ and OR respectively such that ABC are points on OP, OQ, OR respectively such that AB is parallel to PQ. See here, AB is parallel to PQ. So which triangle? This is the triangle. Okay, so let us take the triangle first. See here. So given AB is parallel to PQ. Okay, so in triangle APO, oh, OPQ, this is a triangle, isn't it? In triangle OPQ, in triangle OPQ, what are you getting? So see here, these two are parallel lines. So using BPT, I can write OA or AO by AP is equals to OB by QB. Here see, using BPT, AO by AP is equals to OB by AB. So I'll draw the triangle also here so that it will be easy for you. So this is OPQ. This is the line AB which is parallel to Q. So AO by AP is equals to OB by OQ. Using again what? Using BPT. Clear? Now let's see the next one. See the next one. What do you have? You have AC is parallel to PR. Okay, so where is AC? AC is here. It is parallel to PR. So which triangle will you take? This is a triangle. Clear? So AC. Now the second bit. AC is parallel to PR. So in triangle OPR. Okay. So using BPT, you can write OA by AP is equals to OC by CR. Okay. So I'll draw the triangle here. So this is OPR. This is the line. Which line is this? AC. These two are parallel. So OA by AP is equals to OC by CR. So now what you should prove? You should show that BC is equals to QR. How shall we show? So now this is equation 1. This is equation 2. So using 1 and 2, what can I say? See, AO by AP or OA by OP are same. So that is equals to, so from equation 1 and 2, I can say OB by QB is equals to OC by CR. Okay. So let's see what is it here. See here, OB is here. Okay, OB by QB is here. So OB by QB is equals to OC by CR. So which triangle is this? This is a triangle. Okay, smaller triangle. See here, down you have one triangle, isn't it? So let's write that point here. So from these two, okay. So in triangle OQR, in this triangle OQR, I am showing you why I am taking the triangle. Are you getting it? So see the coloring. So OQR you have and B is in this way, BC. So here you got OB by QB is equals to OC by CR. So using converse of BPT, you can say BC is parallel to QR. Okay, using converse of BPT. If you understand the concept, triangles is easy chapter. Clear? So question number 8. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. So you have ABCD is a trapezium. Let me draw a straight line. So you have a trapezium A, B, C, D. And AB is parallel to CD. So these two are parallel lines. And the diagonals intersect at point O. So you have diagonals AD. 1 second, beta. So you will write A, B, C should be here, isn't it? You will write in order. Yes or no? So A, B, C, D. Okay. So A, B, C, D. You cannot write A, B, C, D. Clear? A, B, C, D. So AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. Both the diagonals intersect at point O. Now you have to show that AO by BO. Just see here, what do you want? AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. So how shall we show this? So how shall we show this? Just see here. Yes. So what are we going to do here? Just see. So given, so to prove, I'm just taking what you have to prove. You have to prove AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. So for this, what I am doing, the same thing is nothing but AO by CO is equals to BO by DO. See here, I am sending BO to this side and CO to this side. So CO comes to denominator, BO goes to numerator. So you have AO by CO, okay? So I'll just show you here. See, AO by CO is equals to BO by DO, isn't it? So which triangles you're getting? You're getting triangles in this way. Yes or no? So let us do it. So now before starting anything, you have one construction. What is that? You will draw a line. Okay, draw a line EF parallel to AB. Okay, you're drawing line EF which is parallel to AB. So EF and AE are parallel to each other. Now just take this triangle. So we want these lines, isn't it? Which lines you want? You want AOOC. So AOOC and this triangle I'm taking. Okay, with AOOC I'm taking this triangle. Okay, so just listen carefully, very important. See, in triangle ACD, okay, in this triangle ACD, so EF is parallel to AB, isn't it? See, EF, this line EF you have drawn parallel to AC. So EO is also parallel to AC. Yes or no? EF is parallel to AB. So EO, this part of EO is also parallel to AB. Clear? So in this triangle, what do you have? In this triangle ADC, this EO is parallel to AB. Okay, EO is parallel to, I'm so sorry, we are taking CD, isn't it? You are taking ACD. So we are taking EO is parallel to CD. Now just see here one more thing. So EF you are drawing parallel to AB. See here, this is AB and CD are parallel to each other. Now you are drawing a line EF which is parallel to AB. So this EF is also parallel to CD. You have learned this. Do you remember? If a line is parallel to two parallel lines, then it's also parallel to the second parallel line. Or in other words, if I can say if A is equals to B is equals to C, you can write A is equals to C. Which property is this? Transitive property. Yes or no? So similarly here parallel lines also. If AB is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to EF, then EF is also parallel to CD. Clear? So here I can write EF is parallel to CD. Clear? So now let's take this triangle. In this triangle ACD, EO is parallel to CD. Okay? So here, just see here. This point you understood, isn't it? How it is parallel? Yes, EF is parallel to AB and also EF is parallel to CD. Now you are taking this triangle. See here, you are taking this triangle ACD. Okay, so that is the reason I am taking CD. EO is parallel to CD. Okay, so now using BPT, what can you write? EO is parallel to CD here. Yes, EO is parallel to CD. So using BPT, see here, I can write AE by ED. AE by ED is equals to AO by OC. Okay. Now you want BO by OD. Where is BO by OD? Just see here. BO by OD is here. Okay. So which triangle I can take? So to write BO by OD, I am just taking this triangle. Okay. This triangle I am taking. See here. I'll use this. Yes. I want BO by OD. I want this, isn't it? So I am taking this triangle. Okay, there are different methods to do this problem. You can take any of the four triangles. If you see, you have four triangles here. See, your teacher might have taught you a different way also, but no problem. That is the reason I'm telling. See, this is one triangle you can take. This is one triangle you can take, or else you can take this triangle. Okay, or else you can take this triangle. Clear? So whichever you do, it is correct only. No problem. Okay. And I'm telling you why am I taking that triangle. Okay. So because I want BO and OD, I'm taking this second triangle. Okay. So in triangle, which triangle is it? ABD. In triangle ABD, you have it in this way. So this is AB is here. D is the vertex here. And you have EO. E is on point AD. Okay. This is O. So using BBT, EO is parallel to AB, isn't it? In this triangle, EO is parallel to AB. So using BPT, you can write AE by ED is equals to BO by OD. Okay, I'm going from this side. AE by ED is equals to BO by OD. Or you can write DE by AD is equals to OD by OB. No problem. Okay, so whichever order you are taking, here I am starting from this side, so here also I have to start from this side. Okay, the ratio. Otherwise, if you are starting from this side, here also you have to start from this side. Clear, beta? So max, it's all about logic. So there is no rule that you have to start from this side only, but the order should be same. You cannot start this ratio from this side and this ratio from this side. Clear? So order is important, whichever way you start. So this is equation 2, this is equation 1. So see equation 2 and 1, you have AE by ED, AE by ED. So AE by ED is equals to AO by OC, and here also AE by ED is equals to OB by OD. Okay, so therefore from 1 and 2, what can I say? I can say AO by OC is equals to BO or OB by OD. This is what you have to do. Yes or no? So firstly, you should understand what you want. Okay. Then we are taking the triangles accordingly. Okay. So some might take this triangle first and some will take this triangle. Okay, as we have done. Some might take this triangle ABD and they will take again this triangle. Is ABC. Okay, whichever way you do, but answer will be the same. Clear, beta? Chalo. There is no rule in these prove that questions that you have to follow this method only. Clear? So question number 9. It's question number 9 is a construction question which is not so important, but any which ways I'll just tell you. So you need to draw a line segment of length 7.2 centimeters. Draw it with a scale. So it is AB 7.2 centimeter, and you have to divide it in the ratio 5 is to 3. 5 is to 3 means how many parts are there? Total parts. Total parts are 5 plus 3, isn't it? So total you have 8 parts, isn't it? So I'm drawing from this point B, you draw a acute angle. Okay, this is say Bx. With protractor you can measure and draw, and you just join this. Okay, a to x, you just join it. Now divide this a to x, divide it into how many parts? 8 parts. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts you divide it into. Okay. So this is 8th part. Clear? So now how many parts you want first? First is 5 parts. Okay. So here take 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here from the 5th part, draw a line in this way. Okay, this line cuts the first line AB. Okay, so this is point C. So AC is 5 parts and BC is 3 parts. Okay, how will you verify? Just see the length AC will give you. So it is 5 parts, isn't it? So total length is 7.2. In 7.2, the total number of parts are 8 and you are getting 5 parts. So the answer you get it as 4.5. Okay, 4.5 centimeters. You can verify this. Okay, they are asking you to verify. So you can measure and verify and write this. That is enough. And BC is how much? Out of total 7.2, there are 8 parts. Out of 8 parts, you are taking 3 parts. So you will get it as 2.7. Okay, you may not get this in your examination, but just for your understanding. Clear? So 8.2 exercise, we shall do it in the next class. But do practice all these questions once again. Okay.